little video to show the foundations of the new building and the new extension before. Here is our new factory building, just going up now, and we're really excited about this space and how we're going to transform it.
So as you can see, most of the inside of the factory is painted. And now for the electrician part, I see that all the plugs are in. So looks like all the cables have been ran. So all the different sockets are here. All the different plugs are here. But for the switches aren't in yet. So I'm not sure who is supposed to actually do the switches in here. Is it Muhammad, the electrician?
We have electricity in the new factory. It is moving day, moving into the new factory space.
Marrakech, Morocco.
This is the first pendant that Tavon made many years ago. It's huge and it's not very pretty, but it's how he started. And so now this pendant led to this, an entire factory just for making orgonite. There we go, I put it in a frame. What do you think?
It's nice, it's great. It's a new space.
Our first pendant, 2016.
First hockey puck.
And here we are with our factory, our tables, our chairs, our desks, our inventory, all the space for the masters and the molds, our desk area for our social media and laptops, computers. Everything is all set. Yeah? What you doing? Invoices?
These are the invoices for our customers. All up to you.
Go, orders going out the door. ingredient.